Above principle states that orbitals are filled on increasing order of their energies electrons enters the orbital of lowest energy first. Okay, then S, P, D, F. So for L value 0, S, P, D, F. For S value 0, L will be 0, and for P, L value will be 1, for D 2, and F 3. So energy, we know energy is directly proportional to N plus L value. N is the principal quantum number and L is the azimuthal quantum number. Consider 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4s. So we find n plus L value. N 1s, n is 1, so 1 for S value, L value will be 0 for S, so put 1, that is 1. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus P, 1, 3. Okay, you can write this. Three plus S 0, 3. 3 plus P 1, that is 4. 3 plus D 2, that is 5. 4 plus S 0, that is S 0, that is 4. 4 plus P, that is 5. 4 plus D, that is 4 plus, that is 0. Okay, then arrange 1s, least electron enters the orbital in lowest energy, so 1s is less than 2s, less than 2p, less than 3s, less than 3p, less than 3d, less than 4s, less than 4p, less than 4d, less than 4s. For n value, L ranges from, for n value, L ranges from 0 to n minus 1. Okay, so how we write n minus 1 as SPDF, that is 1 value of 1, we can write here. For n value, L ranges 0 to n minus 1. Okay, for n value, the value of L is equal to n. For n value, the value of L will be equal to n. Okay, then for n value, value of L, okay, value of L never be equal to value of N. value of n. Then value of n, then subcell, okay, then subcell, then I will erase this. Value of n, subcell, value of l, subcell, then possible value of l, possible value of l, okay. Then 1 value of n will be 1 2 3 4. Subcell s, sp, SPD, SPDF. Okay, these are subcells. So L will be, as for L will be 0, then 0 to n minus 1, that is 2, 2 minus 1, that is 1, that is 3, 3 minus 1, that is 2, that is 4 minus 1, that is 3. Value of L will be 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, value of n. Okay. Then next we compare 3D and 4S. 3D is higher than 4S. So how we calculate? 3D to n value will be 3 and D will be SPDF. L value will be 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3D is equal to 2. That is 3 2 ja 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 n plus l, that is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. And 4s is 4 and s will be 0. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. Then 5 is greater than 4. So the electrons enters the orbitals which at lowest energy first. Enter lowest energy. That is, we consider n value. So 3D is higher than 4s. Energy of 3D is higher than 4s. So then we consider 3D and 4p. Then 3 plus n value will be 3 and D is equal to 2. That is 5. Okay. And 4 plus p value will be 1. That is 5. 5 is equal to 5. In this case, one which in this case, in this condition or case condition, in these conditions, n value, n plus l value is equal to 5 and also n4p n plus l value is equal to 5. In these conditions, one which higher n value will have the more energy if in case of n plus l value is same, then we consider n value which had if more energy so the energy of 4p is higher than 3D. Okay, 4p is higher than 3D, which has least number of electrons field. Electrons enter the orbitals which has least number of lowest energy, that is enter first. Okay, so 4p is higher than 3d. In C6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Scandium 21, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 2 plus 2, 3d1, 4s2, 3d1. Okay, in this way we can calculate, you can derive above principle. Orbitals are in increasing order of their energies, and electrons enter first, lower energy first. That is the Above principle. Thank you.